Honorable Dr. Christopher Okonkwo Bahari. During First World War.
Okay.
Then in the Okonzo, and Yan is at Okonzo, about Bapo, our forefather, the Baba. Now, they're Yoruba-speaking, Basia, this area.
Okay.
That Baba, we have to do inside pit, Yabu, Yabe, now.
Okay.
In this way, I man, no,
okay.
Even okay, what they are noble, the other Nigerian are noble. When Jabba, only paying, it got done on that other side, or the other Rube. Ukumi language, Ukunzu, Ubodu, Ubulubu. But our people also we speak Igbo.
Okay.
Can't you also?
Okay.
And yeah, so Africa. Even up there, we will get the novel meeting now. What the couple, make a day, show, make a yaku, and my jacuzzi. Hey, when you know this book, and when I go to Gano, and your flowers weighing in it, and my yellow, because what am you going to? Except, no one you want from here, Gemon, you here. Or Jimmy or Pompa. You have now the people are not about the whole of them, what they are not. Why? Because now up now to outside beauty. Come to here, Senior Ubodu in Odiani. Ubodu Senior Uboba in Odiani. Uboba Senior Udumogo in Odiani. The Udumogo Senior Ubulubu in Odiani. Ubulubu Senior Obodo in Odiani. But the Ojo Ukonzo, the head of the clan. The Ojo Kabo Ogo 1.
Lórúkọ Jésù òṣùbà tó kún òkè òkun alẹ̀ àwa tí a ní ti zọ́tò níbo tí sì àti ráyé nítorí bó tí sì wọ́n ti wá bá wa nígbè nítorí àwa ẹ̀bẹ̀ wọn rè tá a mọ́ hígede tí gèdè aago ń wa lórúkọ Jésù ibà wọn ti wá ìwé nítorí wọn hàn àwọn fẹ́ wá ní àti fọ̀tún àbẹ̀mú gbé orúkọ òǹgbòdù òun èkó pàkì òun fọ ẹ̀rùn ọ̀kan àwa ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní ìtò hàn ní tẹ̀wọ̀n àbẹ̀ àṣẹ ní ya nwa ele nítorí yìí wọ́n hà fún wa náà before ele nára òòyà òun àrò ha dáwà tó lé àwọn bá ìwọ̀n agbọ̀rọ̀ ìrúnlé nára yíyá lórúkọ Jésù. I am Prince Adebowale Ojeyi. I'm the secretary to the palace of the Oloza of Ubu Kingdom. Where I am now today is Ubodu. Ubodu is an Yoruba-speaking community in Anyocha North local government area of Delta State. According to history, Yoruba-speaking people, they migrated from Akure and Owo between 9th and 11th centuries AD. They settled in Benin briefly. That was during the reign of Ogiso Owodo, the last Ogiso of Benin Kingdom. According to history, we were made to know that Ekaladeha was the heir apparent to the throne. Due to jealousy from other wives, they said they consulted Oracle because things were not moving well with the palace. They consulted Oracle and took him away to be executed. It was after that the old Yoruba-speaking community decided to leave. They were filled with fear. If a heir apparent can be killed, what more of stranger elements? Yoruba-speaking people, they left, started moving until they came to their present location in Anyocha North local government area of Delta State. They settled here. As you can see today, like my name, Adebowale, though my surname is Ojeyi, but before then, we have all of us that have reigned in Ubodu, bearing Yoruba names. The first one, I guess, is Adetola. We have Aderemi. From there, we have about 5 or 7 Yoruba-speaking Yoruba names as follows as before Edo. After Edo, we have names that all of us that bore Igbo names. Like you have Ojeyi, who is my grandfather, Dike Esinyemeze, and the present one is Oloza Ayo. So you can see the names. We are trying to get back to our roots. Some time ago, they have the Old Kumi Bible, because we are trying to get back to our roots. The ones that maintains the language till date now, we have Ubodu, we have Eko, otherwise known as Ukunzu. Though for me, I don't believe in that name Ukunzu, because somehow I seems they are deviating from, though they may pardon me for saying that, they are trying to deviate from their own origin, because Uku means is an Igbo name. Ukunzu, due to the native chalk found in that place. The Igbo-speaking communities around us now give them that name. Though their real name is Eko, we know them as Eko Efun. Efun means chalk, the native chalk. So Ubodu and Eko Efun, they still maintain the language. We have Ubulubu. We have Ubodu, Ukunzu or Eko, Ubulubu. Some parts of Ogodo, Uboba, but it's only Ubodu, and Idumogo. It's only Ubodu and Eko, which is Ukunzu, that still maintains the language. The message I have for them is they should all come home. We should come home and rebuild our communities.